Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Tailwind for LinkedIn content inspiration workflows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Tailwind website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page. Choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Review the features included in each plan for LinkedIn content inspiration. Once you've made your selection, click on the appropriate plan. Fill in your email address and create a password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click the Create Account or Sign Up button. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and click the confirmation link. Return to the Tailwind website to log in. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the LinkedIn section. Explore various content inspiration options available. Utilize the search feature to find specific topics. Save ideas you like to your content calendar. Set up your workflow for publishing posts on LinkedIn. Schedule your content for optimal posting times. Review your analytics to track performance. Adjust your strategy based on the insights you gather. Enjoy creating engaging content for your LinkedIn audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.